Do you have a problem where your Ethernet cable is connected to the laptop or PC, but you don't have internet access? Then let's resolve your issue. I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how you can fix the problem where you don't have access to the internet, but your cable is plugged in and ready to go. The first method is to go to the search bar and type settings. Now go to network and internet, Ethernet. Then double-click on the network right here. Now set this to private and disable the set as metered connection. The second method is to go to our control panel, click on the network and internet settings right here, then network and sharing center. On the left side of the screen, you're going to see a change adapter settings option, so open that. Right-click on Ethernet right here, and then you want to open the properties. Now you need to select the Internet Protocol version 4, and now select the properties. Click on this, use the following DNS server addresses, and then type number 8 4 times at the top, and then at 8.84.4. Click on OK, and after this step, you have to restart your PC or laptop. After it restarts, you should have your internet access, and this should fix your problem. If that still didn't fix the problem, then let's move on to the third method. Type settings into the search bar and open it. Now go to System, then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. After that, open Other Troubleshooters. Find internet connections at the top of the list and click Run. Windows will now try to detect the specific issue that's preventing your internet connection from working. If it finds a problem, just follow the instructions and steps that Windows gives you on the screen. But if Windows didn't detect any specific issue, then let's move on to the next step. Open Settings again, then click on Network and Internet right here. Scroll all the way down until you see the Advanced Network Settings option, then open it. Now, find the Network Reset option and click on it. After that, click on Reset Now. Once the reset is complete, restart your Windows PC. The fifth method is to open the Device Manager. After you open it, expand the network adapters. Then right-click on the Internet adapter, and then Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. And if you had outdated drivers, then updating the driver should fix the problem, and you should have internet access now. If you were able to resolve your issue and you have internet access now, then leave a like on this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this in the future.